this video, I will be showing you how to add a black bar into your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, after you have entered Premiere Pro and imported your video or finished editing your video, go to your project panel and right click and create a new adjustment layer, and this thing pops up. It is automatically going to come to your width and height as per your video size, and just simply hit OK. And now drag your adjustment layer to above your video and make sure you select it and adjust the timeline till you have it till the entire video. And now make sure to go to your effects panel and search in for the crop tool. Drag your crop tool onto your adjustment layer. And now make sure you double click on your adjustment layer so it pops up over here, and now go to your effects controls panel and search in for the crop tool. After you find your crop tool, make sure you change your top to about 12 and your bottom also to 12. You can change it with different amounts, but this is the normal amount which most movies or films go with. And there you go. There you have your black borders for this video. I hope you benefited from this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like to this video, and I'll see you in the next video.